Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to learn how to automate insurance claims processing via WhatsApp. For example, you are an insurance agent and you got many queries from your users regarding the insurance claims under different categories. Responding them manually is a time-consuming, also a very confusing task. To solve this problem, we are going to automate this entire process by creating a WhatsApp chatbot, and that will be created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. And whenever any user send a message to your WhatsApp business account, then automatically your bot will be replied to them. So now, to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let me all take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So before starting the video of creating WhatsApp chatbot that will automate insurance claims processing via WhatsApp, let me give you a quick review about how this bot will work and how this bot will reply to your users instantly by sending a message to my WhatsApp business account of insurance company. Here I am sending the first message as insurance claim. As soon as I send the message, immediately you can see the bot will respond to me like this, that what type of claim are you filling, while providing me one option in the form of list. When I click on it, it will provide me the types of insurance, that is health insurance, vehicle insurance and home insurance. Here I am selecting this health insurance. Then you can see the bot will ask me to upload a medical bills for my claim. Here I am uploading one test medical bill in the form of PDF. Then you can see the bot will ask me to provide a claim amount. So here I am entering the claim amount. Here I sent. Then you can see it will respond to me like this, that your claim has been processed and a decision will be made shortly. We'll notify you with the status. So if you want to create this type of WhatsApp automated chatbot for your insurance claims processing via WhatsApp, that instead of you, a WhatsApp chatbot will reply to your clients without you doing any manual efforts. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. So here you are landed on the official page of Pabbly Chatflow. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 by creating multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. When you are stuck while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here, and the people who are facing similar problem just like you, or even the Pabbly team members, will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and another is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free credits to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on this sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users, as we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will create it with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So I am going in this Pabbly Chatflow box by clicking Access Now button. So here you are landed on the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, where you can add and manage all of your WhatsApp number in one place, where you can see your credits allotted, your credits consumed, your credits remaining and the WhatsApp number added. If you want to add a new WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then you have to click on this button plus add WhatsApp number button. When you click on it, it will provide you two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. If you want a detailed video of how to add your WhatsApp number into your Pabbly Chatflow account, then we have already created a separate video for it. For both of these steps, I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. You can check out. Now in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Chatflow account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to provide the name to your folder and also select the parent folder from here. And in this home section, you can see the status of your WhatsApp number that were added into your Pabbly Chatflow account. Here on the left hand side, you can see the multiple features of Pabbly Chatflow, that is inbox, contacts, team queues, templates, broadcast, flows, AI assistant, activity logs, settings and get help. If you want to learn more about these features, then we have already created a separate video for it. I'll provide the link of the video in the description box. You can check out. As we are creating a WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going in this flows option. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot for your different type of businesses. It will create it with the help of Flow Builder. It creates and manages static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code drag and drop builder. As we are creating a new WhatsApp chatbot, so I am going to click on this plus add flow button. So this is the starting point of your flow, that is trigger. But before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow, that what you are creating. So here I am providing a name. Here I provided, that is automate insurance claims processing via WhatsApp. Now I'll give you a quick review about these two options, messages and actions. Under the messages you can see different buttons are there, as well as under the actions you can see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Here on the right hand side you can see two options are there. The one is active and active button. When this toggle is enabled, then only your flow will be active and reply to your users. If it is not enabled, then your flow does not reply to your users. And another one is the save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be updated. Now let's get started. So for starting the creation of your flow, at first you have to select your trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events, that is keyword/regex, user starts conversation, template selected, WhatsApp template delivered, contact added to contact list, custom field updated, contact's birthday is coming soon, and tag assigned. I am creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so I am selecting this. Keywords are those manually entered words that I expect that my user sends to me. And another one is the regex. Regex stands for regular expression. It can extract useful data from inputs such as email, phone number, order number, etc. You can also enable this toggle if you want to activate some specific feature or behavior into your chatbot. As we are creating this WhatsApp chatbot with the help of keywords, so the first keyword I write as insurance claim. After writing the keyword, you have to press enter so that it will add it into the list. Now here I am adding two more keywords. File, claim and insurance. Here I added only 3 keywords. You can add multiple. Now whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account, then automatically my bot gets triggered and reply to them. For that I am taking one list button, drag this box here. Here you can see this list box is divided in 3 parts, that is header, body and footer. Where at first you have to write the header in this enter header box. In this case I am not writing any header, so I am leaving this blank. And the next one is the enter body, where you have to enter the body of your message. So here I am entering the body. Here I added, that is what type of claim are you filling. You can see I write this asterisk symbol because with the help of this symbol, this message will deliver to my users in the bold format. After that, the next one is the enter footer box. You can write any footer message in this enter footer box. I am not writing it, so I am leaving this blank. After that, I want to add the types of insurance. For that, I am clicking on this add section button. It will provide me one box inside it where I am going to write the section title as insurance claim type. After that I want to add the types of insurance claim. For that I am clicking on this plus add items button 3 times. It will provide me one box inside it where I am going to write the types of insurance in this enter title boxes. That is health insurance, vehicle insurance and home insurance. I added only 3 types. You can add as many as you want. After that, I am connecting the starting point of my flow to this message by clicking on this circle, drag a line and connect this line to this circle. Now, whenever my user will send any of these keywords to my WhatsApp business account of insurance company, then automatically my bot gets triggered and reply to them by asking them this question, that what type of claim are you filling. Then in the next, whenever this select insurance claim type, then my bot will respond to them. But before that, here I am setting one custom field. For that I am clicking on this actions option and take button as set custom field. Drag this box here where I am going to select the contact custom field as insurance type. After that, in this enter value box, I am going to write this, that is health insurance. I write this health insurance here because I set this contact custom field not specifically for this health insurance type. Now I am going to explain you why we use this contact custom field in the creation of our flow and from where you can create this contact custom field. But before moving anywhere, at first you have to click on the save button so that your flow will be saved. If you won't save your flow and switch to the new tab or going anywhere, then all the progress of the creation of your flow will be lost. So make sure that whenever you go any new tab, save your flow firstly. Now for creating this contact custom field, you have to click on the settings options and go in this contact custom fields option. Here I am opening this in a new tab. So this is the page where you can create multiple types of contact custom field for your different type of users. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, email, tags, countries, etc. In simple words, contact custom fields make data dynamic. Now when you scroll down, here you can see one option is there, that is plus add more field. When you click on it, it will provide you one field name box where you have to write the name of your field. Also write the description in this field description box. As I already created one contact custom field by the name of insurance type, so I am not creating more. Now we will get back to our flow. Here I set it this contact custom field. After that, for both of these also, I am going to set the separately contact custom field not. For that, I am again taking set custom field buttons 2 times. Drag this boxes here where I am going to select the contact custom field as insurance type. After that, in this enter value box, I am going to write this, that is vehicle insurance. And the last one also, I am going to select the contact custom field as insurance type. Then in this enter value box, I am going to write this, that is home insurance. You can see I use 3 separate contact custom field not, but the contact custom field that I have selected inside it is the same, that is insurance type. This will help my bot to capture my user response. After that, now I am connecting this specific health insurance circle to this message, this to this. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now after that, when my users wants to claim their health insurance, then they will select this health insurance button. Then my bot will respond to them. For that, I am taking one ask media button. Drag this box here where I am going to write the message in this enter message box as please upload medical bills for your claim, as whenever they select the health insurance, then I want the medical bills of the users. That's why I write this here. After that, the contact custom field I'll select as medical bills. Then the media type I select as document, as they have to send the medical bills in the form of document. Number of attempt I'll give as 1. It defines how many times your user will provide you input. That means how many number of attempts you have given to them to upload the medical bills. Here I am giving this as 1. You can also increase this, but make sure that when you increase the number of attempts, then you have to also write the validation message in this enter message box. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message where it is connected. Now for the another one also, I am going to again take the button as ask media, drag this box here where I am going to write the message in this enter message box. Here I write that is please upload vehicle repair invoice bills for your claim. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as vehicle repair invoice. After that, the media type I'll select as document. Then the number of attempt I'll give as 1. That's why I am not writing any validation message here. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message. Now for the last one also, that whenever my user will select this home insurance type, then my bot will respond to them. For that, I am again taking one ask media button, drag this box here and writing a message as please upload home damage photos for your claim. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as home damage photos. After that, the media type I select as image. After that, number of attempt I'll give as 1 and I am not writing any validation message. Now I am connecting this circle to this message where it is connected. Connection plays major role. You have to make sure that each and every node will connect with each other. Now in the next step, whenever my user will share me the details in the document format or in the image form, then my bot will respond to them. For that, I am taking one ask a question button, drag this question box here and writing a message as please provide the claim amount. For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as claim amount. After that, the format I select as any. After that, I am connecting this circle to this message here it is connected. Now whenever all these procedure will done, then at last my bot will respond to my user. For that, I am clicking on this circle, drag a line, choose content type as text button. You can also select this text button from this messages options. Now in this enter message box, I am going to write my respond message. Here I write that is your claim has been processed and a decision will be made shortly. We'll notify you with the status. Here I am also connecting both of these question circle to this message that whenever my user will provide me the document form of medical bills or the image of home damage, then my bot will ask them to share the claim amount. That's why I am connecting this circles also. Here it is connect. Now our flow is completed. So basically this is the final look of our flow for creating a WhatsApp chatbot that will automate insurance claims processing via WhatsApp. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on this button, save button, so that your flow will be updated. You can also share this flow with your friends. For sharing this flow, you have to click on this flows option and click on this three dots where you have to select this share flow option. Here it will provide you one flow sharing link that you have to copy from here and share this flow with anyone. But make sure that when sharing the flow layout will be shared, but the contact custom fields, tags, catalog and templates will not be shared. You need to create these elements separately and templates must be created and approved by Meta. I also provide the link of this flow in the description box. You can check out. This WhatsApp automated chatbot will reply to your users in real time like this. Ask about the types of claim they are applying for and the document format of the bill including the claim amount. And the best part is this automated chatbot is created without requiring any coding or programming skills. It is only possible with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.